first drill we use when we start to teach speed mechanics is the claw drill, or what some people call the anchor drill. All we're going to do in this drill is start reprogramming the neuromuscular system. We simply want to take the athletes through a progression of teaching them how to run with more efficiency by breaking it down into 3 steps. A pull, a recovery, and a strike. Okay? So this drill is great because we can start the athlete with support. Okay? So whether we use a wall, a fence, or in this case a bench, the athlete has support of that object to help maintain balance so that we can get work done with the opposite leg. When you start the athlete doing this drill too soon without support and they don't have balance, you don't get accomplished what you want to get accomplished. Okay, so we're going to start our athletes by putting the hand on the support object. From there, we're going to start with the pull. Okay, once you strike the ground at the bottom, we've got to simply pull back to about a ball of foot to toe stance. Okay, that's going to help propel us forward. Okay, so that's the pull part. From there, we're going to ask the athlete to bring the heel to the hamstring, step over the opposite knee, and end up in a position like this, where they're balancing on one leg and the ankle is directly under the knee and the toe pulled up. You'll hear us use coaching cues such as heel up, knee up, toe up. Very, very important as we do this drill. Okay, we also start this drill by command. Okay, all right, so we're going to take you through the drill. Okay, so the athletes are all going to start with their feet under their hips. We're going to start with a pull, recover, strike. Pull, recover, strike. Okay, all right, here we go, guys. Pull, recover, strike. Pull, recover, strike. Pull, recover, strike. Pull, recover, strike. All right, nice job. Now, my philosophy of talk it, walk it, jog it, run it, we use with almost every speed drill or every drill that we take our athletes through. We want to make sure that they can perform these drills with efficiency before we move on to either a faster speed or move on to a situation where we're loading the exercise. Okay, now that they've learned to break the exercise down, now we're going to speed it up a little bit. So now, on command, I'm simply going to count. I'm going to say pull, 1, pull, 2, and they're going to progress from there. Okay, so we're not going to move real fast. We're going to move at about half speed and just move a little bit quicker than what we moved when we had it broke down into the 3 segments. Okay, here we go, guys. Ready? Pull, 1, pull, 2, pull, 3, pull, 4. All right, and that's the next progression. Now we're going to speed it up even more. So now we're going to work into a 75 to 80% full speed, and then down the line work into full speed drill. Okay, so now I'm not even going to tell them to pull. They're going to automatically pull. We're going to start with the pull step, and we're going to come up 1, and they're going to pull all the way back. They're ready to go. 2, and so on. All right, so they're going to have to pull back on their own after they strike. I'm not going to tell them to pull. Okay, ready? Full step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, a couple things you need to look for in this drill, and a couple of these guys started to do it a little bit. When this knee comes through and it's up, you got to keep in mind that what we're working on primarily in most athletics is acceleration. The foot is not going to float out. So some of them were starting to float the toe out. If they can, with their knee up, if they can see their toe, it's floating out too far. Okay, so we want to come up and drive down. So step over, drive down. Those are the key words you need to remember